So today in the Epic Chronicles of Dad's 68 Charger, he's trying to figure out how to put his bumper on without scratching anything. And Ed and I are working in the floorboards to get them rust proof. They're really solid for what they are, but getting them clean so we can get them with 415. What's your opinion on cleaning rust, Anna?
Whatever.
Okay, good enough, whatever. So, both little cameras are rolling and we're going to get to work. Well, guys, we didn't get a whole hell of a lot done today, but this weather is pretty miserable here in Kansas. Dad got his bumper on and it fought the hell out of him. It was just an absolute pain in the ass from what I'm understanding. Yeah, the paint looks really good in this light. But Ann and I got the floors all cleaned up, all prepped up, and echo. But yeah, it's kind of dark out to be seeing all that, but got that all protected. And we went ahead and stashed the tail lights in their home. So pretty happy with all that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry, it's just this weather, it sucks. So y'all take care, and see you in the next video.